Hello my Tesla maniacs and welcome back to another one of my video. And there are many maniacs in the group. I'm looking at you, Mimi. No, just kidding. God love you. God love you. But I thought I'd go with an Ashen styled look today because I've been sent another product to review for the channel. So yeah, a company called Spigen or Spigen, I don't know how you pronounce it, have sent me one of their products, which is this extremely long box. I'm going to pull you back so you can actually see this a bit better. Here we go. It is a screen protector. Now, I'll be honest with you, when I first heard about screen protectors, I was just like, I don't see why you need one, because to me, a screen protector is something that protects your phone when you drop it. And obviously, you're not going to drop the Model 3 screen because it's fixed. You can't do that. But they do have certain properties which are meant to be beneficial, such as anti-glare, so you don't get the sort of brightness on it, especially like if you're watching like a dark film or something and you get that glare coming off the light. And also it stops fingerprints and stuff like that, which also can catch on the light. And again, if you're looking at like a dark film or something, you can struggle to see what's going on. And naturally, if you're watching a film, you typically are charging, or you stop somewhere and it's not always easy to just move. And you can't exactly shut the curtains in a Model 3 either, so you can see better. But yeah, so here's the product they sent me. Comes in this extremely long box, which has been loaded into it in a jiffy bag, and it has got a bit of damage to it. It has been kicked around, clearly delivered by Ace Ventura. We're going downtown. But yeah, so here's the logo. Here's the company, Spigen. It's something you want, evidently. It says Tesla, it's for the Model Y and the Model 3, and it's also 4-pore, which is very important, naturally. It's easy, tick, perfect, tick, with tray. Premium tempered glass screen protector. And down here we've got anti-glare, easy installation, and delicate touch. Yes, real glass and a surface hardness of 9H. I think my ceramic coating was 9H plus, so that's good. And that was the hardest one my installer of my ceramic coating could actually get hold of. On the back, nothing really exciting here, just another picture, the same as the front, and the same stuff with an address, and watch the installation video using that QR code there. So that's the box. What do you get inside of it? Well, you get this gorgeous oh dear, this piece of foam, which has this little thing inserted into it. There's like a nice little recess there for it. So inside this little envelope was, because I've already opened it and had a look inside, these things. So we've got here a how to remove bubbles QR code. Fantastic, because we all need one of them. You've got a microfiber cloth, obviously. Two of these are dust removal stickers. It seems to be like 3 parts to it here. So there's like this top bit, and then there's 2 smaller ones. I'm not sure if they're actually dust removal stickers as well, whether they're for getting into smaller areas compared to big one. I don't know, but there's 2 of them anyway. So you've got a total of 6 stickers there. You've got, obviously, lens and screen cleaning wipe. You need to do that before you put the actual protector on. A very nice squeegee, I have to say. This is like a hard plastic, and it has wrapped around the end here like a kind of microfiber cloth area. So that's kind of nice and soft, and it's not going to scratch or anything, which is good. And of course, you also get your instructions IKEA style, so that should be fun later on. And of course, finally, let's move these out the way. You get the applicator itself, this big plastic thing here. It's got these raised edges on the corner here, which I'm assuming will fit around the Model 3's actual screen. And already attached onto here is the actual screen protector. So it's already positioned perfectly. And I think we just basically slide it on over the actual screen. You have to peel off the back first of all, obviously cleaning it. And you press this bit in, you slide it or something. I don't know, you just take this off and there it is, it's already on in place for you. So we're going to give it a go. So I've never really been interested in getting a screen protector, but I'm soon going to find out if they're worth it or not, because yeah, I mean, the only thing that they're really good for I can see is glare and fingerprints, unless of course you have children in the back like throwing things forward towards your screen, in which case it might also help protect it from that. But I'm guessing this is kind of a one-time use piece of plastic, which is a shame. But maybe you can actually buy the screen protector here, so, that's here, in future separately. So if you ever do need to replace it, maybe you can actually stick this on, another one inside this piece of plastic, and reuse it. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. Let's go and install it anyway. Let's get on with it. Right, we are now in the Model 3 and I've just had a quick look at the IKEA instructions we've got here, and the first thing you need to do is obviously clean the screen. So you've got your lens and screen cleaning wipes here. It's probably advisable to put the screen into cleaning mode. So if you haven't, or you don't realise, or you're new to the Model 3, etc., if you go into your options of the car logo, then display, you'll find screen clean mode. Hit that and the screen will go dark, and then you just have to press and hold to exit. You might not be able to see that, but now the screen's gone dark, you can actually see all the dust and all the fingerprints on here. So this is what this screen is hopefully going to help stop appearing. So I'm going to get my little handy dandy, you know, in fact I'm going to open the window just a tad as well to let some fresh air through as well. So let's do this. I'm guessing this is just like an alcohol based wipe that will just dry off. Yeah, and I'm hoping not to get any dust on this because I can still see little bits of dust flying around, probably from me. Now I'm just going to give the, it doesn't actually say this, but I'm just going to try the microfiber cloth just to get rid of the smearing marks, because I don't want to trap them underneath. Okay, so the next step it's saying is to remove the backing on the actual screen protector itself. So I need to flip this piece over, and then there's going to be something I am going to have to start peeling off over here. And then once I've done that, I need to make sure that I put this on with the top. It's actually got top written, or should I say embossed, on the plastic there. So that is going to then go over the top of this. And then right already I'm clipping the indicator stalk here. So I need to make sure when I put it on, I do it very carefully. That's a very good fit actually. Okay, so here we go. The plastic is coming off. Ooh. Now make sure this is the right way up, and that is the right way up, and it's just basically saying just hook it on over. So let's do that. Okay, let's have a look. Right, so that is now on, and then next it says, which I don't quite understand how this is going to work, but it says press and slide, but it's got an arrow in both directions, yet the arrow on the instructions shows me slide it down to the bottom left. So I don't know how this works, but let's give it a go anyway then. So press and slide. Maybe it just means put my finger on it and slide, not actually slide the sticker, because on the next picture as well it shows you as peeling it off. I think it just means I think I'm just adhering the actual screen protector in the center to the screen. So I mean, I've done it, it's not actually moving off. Oh, is it moving? No, I don't know. So then remove from here. No idea if I'm doing this correct. I mean, I'm following instructions as well as I can, but this is an adventure for both of us, so if I do this wrong, if you buy one of these, you'll know what to do. Ah, that's caused a massive air bubble. But I can get that out. That shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't. Okay, so that's gone. Now it's saying remove the this piece. This should come off and leave the screen protector on. Oh, I can hear lots of clicking. And there it is, complete with air balls. So this is where we... Oh, hang on a second. There's actually... Is there another layer? It's saying to peel off something. He wants me to... These tabs, are these... Oh, okay. Oh wow, so it's given it a really sort of matte finish. Right, okay. Looks like there are some air bubbles there. So then it's going to use the squeegee just to get the air bubbles out. So let's give that a go. Yeah, there are definitely air bubbles there. I can see it moving. I mean, the fit on it is fantastic, I will say. That is absolutely nailed it right in the center. There's no sort of like, oh, it's going over the edge a little bit on this side compared to that side. It's absolutely nailed it dead center. Very happy with that. Now just got to get with those air bubbles, which might take a little bit. Might have to come back to this. Oh, and you just fell down. So you've just fallen down. I'm not going to bother putting you back up, but you can see now these air bubbles here, and the way I believe you get rid of them is you just basically push them up towards the edge. Just keep working them up, and there you go, that one's gone already. Right, so I've been working on the bubbles. It's taken me about 5 minutes, I'd say, to get rid of the bubbles. Not too difficult at all, to be honest. The squeegee thing's very good. It's given the screen a very nice sort of almost frosted look. So the blacks aren't quite as black as they were before. It's going to probably be very difficult for you to pick it up on camera. It's got a slight haze to it. It's most noticeable. If I put this back onto screen cleaning mode, maybe you'll be able to see it a bit easier. You can see, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of a hazy kind of look to it. So blacks aren't quite as black, but I can see here I'm actually getting no fingerprints that I can see. And I'm quite clammy as well because I've had the air conditioning off while I've been doing this, so you didn't get the fans blowing in the microphone. As you can see, the screen is still working. I'm able to navigate it with my fingers and everything. The actual touch screen is still working, so there's no problems there. It's just the blacks are maybe not quite as black. It's got a kind of a slight sort of grey haze to it. Almost frosted, I'd describe it as. Like it's kind of partially frozen over. It's nice. It fits spot on. It has a very soft, smooth feel to it because it's meant to be actual glass anyway. It's tempered glass, and yeah, I would say it's a very nice product. Fingerprints don't seem to be an issue. I can't tell you with haze because it's been raining, there's been thunderstorms on and off today, so but I'd imagine this will do as it says and will stop the glare, sort of like white sheens where you can't see exactly what it is. You just kind of lose, say, that little that deep rich blackness on the bars here and on the other colors as well. Maybe not quite sharp, I'm not sure, but it seems all right, you know, definitely sort of quality wise. You can still read it easily enough, you know, it's very clear, so I have no issues with that. Let's have a look at the camera. So yeah, you can actually see here, like if I move my hand down, can you see my hand reflection in the glass there at the top? There is a little bit of reflection going on, but I'm guessing it's not as bad as it would have been before when it was just pure glass. So, I mean, yeah, it seems to be a decent enough product anyway. I will put the link in the description down below if you want to have a look at one of these. They are available on Amazon. This is one of the great things about this product as well. You haven't got to order it from abroad. You can get it from Amazon. It was a Prime product, so it was delivered the very next day. So would I recommend the product? I mean, yeah, if the like glare and fingerprints really bother you, the screen protector is going to do its job. I haven't been able to really test if it's going to affect or stop the glare because it's not really the right day for it, even though I am squinting. The sun's kind of coming into my eyes at the moment, but it should be behind me and then you get the glare off it if I want to see that in action. But that'll be over the next few days perhaps of driving it, although actually that's not going to happen because the car's got to go in for a service tomorrow because I've got this strange grating metal sound on one of the wheels. I don't know what it is, so I'm losing the car for a few days, so I thought I'd do this video now. But I'd like to thank Spigen, or however you say it, for sending me the product. As always, guys, though, these reviews are my own thoughts and opinions of it. They haven't paid me to say anything good about it. I did say to them in the emails that if you send it me, the reviews will be true. And my own personal thoughts and opinions on it. So, do I like the product? It's super easy to apply. Do I need one? Me personally, probably not. Some people would like it though, and I get that. And yeah, that's about it. That's the video. If you have any questions about it, if I can answer anything further, you know, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget there is the Model 3 UK Facebook page, which has been exploding over the last few months. It's just every day there's like 15, 20 new people joining the group, so it's rapidly growing. So thank you to all those people that have joined. Don't forget, it goes without saying as well, like and subscribe to the channel on YouTube as well to keep up to date with the latest videos. If you have anything you want me to review or look into, just, you know, drop me a message, guys, and I'll be happy to review it as well. So few other things down below, like, you know, the referral codes and that sort of stuff if you are looking at buying a Model 3, if you're new to this field. I know there's a lot of people that are new. If there's something you'd like me to do as well, please just drop me a message or put it in the comments, or, you know, put it on the group, because I know some people don't have the Model 3 yet, some people are new to it, have only just got it, and some stuff that I would consider extremely simple and I understand and it seems basic, you guys might not find basic, and, you know, need me to sort of walk you through those things. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'll try and keep it as short as I can, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye for now.